Yo, what's good? This is what we got in store. So I already took the calipers off. I already took the sway bar off, and I already got the rack and pinion out. I just have to get these off. 1, 2, and then that's already on there. And then the ones up top, like up here, for the angle kit. So I also got the rotors off. Those are in the trunk of the car right now. Hopefully it's an easy install. I've been told I shouldn't have to cut anything because I got the tubular K member, but that's to be determined.
Oh, yeah, I did that when I was like 15, 16, putting my Trans Am motor in with Polaroid. I took Polaroids and kept them. I still got them in my closet.
It's Dean with the shovel.
Look, Mr. Dean. You have it?
I barely need that code 45.
Put that arm off. Put that on.
Lisa.
Alright, Chad, this is how we're looking right now. I had to go 0.5 because I'm sitting real close. But I got it bolted up. I'm currently removing the tie rods to put, where'd it go? Well, here's one of them. Or here it is. Put this on. Alright, gotta cut this off. Now right here's gotta go. Wheel bearing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, Chad. We're under the car. What I'm doing right now, putting on the second piece. So I gotta cut the other knuckle. So I don't know where I put it, but it's right here. I gotta disconnect it. I'm all over the place today. It's showing, yeah. Gotta disconnect that. But I'm trying to get this all in as of right now. So, all right, guys, I'm done for the day. That's how she sits right now. So I just gotta put the calipers on and like the limiters, like the stop, like the bump stops. But look at that dirty engine bay, so nasty. But I'm done for the day. Time to clean up all these miscellaneous tools.
You might just have to get different wheels.
I think so.
What is this over here?
I got a scar defender up right there. Get up. At least the tire ain't gonna fly. Just try to turn it anyway. Pull up and turn it
Try
over.
to turn it left.
Yeah, I just want to see. Man, it's rubbing, it's overhanging by half inch on your bumper. Way off. You're going to have to cut this bumper. All right, turn back Straight.
Yeah.
Straight. Straight up. That's straight? No, right there. I can feel it grab it. Like, I can't even just roll backwards and neutral. I have the gas. Right there, damn. A lot. Nobody can do much. You're good.
Help it. It's helping it. I think it is.